How to fix Kb5063878 not installing on Windows problem. To do this, open browser and type a Microsoft Update Catalog in the search bar. Here, what we need to do is type the update in the search bar and click search. There are several options here. If your computer is 32-bit, select the first one. If 64-bit, select the second. And if Windows Server OS, select the third. I need to download the 64-bit version. After clicking download, click the download link to start the download. After the first one completes, start the second one. We've downloaded the files. Now we'll install the updates. Double-click the file and then click open. Here, what we need to do is click yes and install the update. I can't do this now as I'm recording the video. Click yes and install the update, then repeat for the second file. After completing the updates, you can check whether the Kb5063878 not installing on Windows problem is solved or not. As an alternative solution, you can also try the solution shared on Reddit. It seems to have worked for some people.